Hey guys, Joe from American Trucks, and today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to install the Fia custom fit Leatherlite front seat covers in black, fitting all 14 to 18 Silverado and Sierra 1500s with a bench seat. These seat covers are going to be perfect for the Silverado owner that's looking to freshen up their interior bit with some nice leather finish that makes it super easy to clean. Also, if your seats are a little bit worn out from years of abuse, these are a great way to cover up that damage while protecting them from anything further. These seat covers are made out of Fia's Leatherlite material, which is a tough simulated leather that is going to stand up to any abuse you throw at it, and it's going to protect your seat from anything else that might injure it, whether it's pet hair, the spill every now and again, or the regular mud and dirt. Silverado seat materials are pretty durable, but almost nothing nowadays is immune to years of abuse that we throw at our trucks. So this is a great way to cover up that damage if your truck has any, while adding a nice upscale look with this leather. You also have some padding in the backrest and in the bottom of the seat. That is going to make those long drives a little bit easier on the back and remain nice and comfortable. With this set, you're also getting these center console covers, so that's for the base of the center console, the backrest, and if we flip this down, we even have the armrest up here covered as well. So that's a huge benefit, pretty much going to cover all the high traffic areas. Even if you plan on having somebody in the middle seat, they're going to have a nice leather seat to sit on. Pricing for this kit is going to come in at around $350 for the set. Now, while that may seem expensive, you're getting a lot of benefits here. You have coverage on all of the seats in the front, so these are going to improve the look. Again, you get some extra padding here. You got the center console covers. Everything is also double stitched together. That Leatherlite material has a lot of benefits going for it as well. It's easy to clean, it's comfortable, it is pretty nice to sit on as well. So you really get your money's worth with this kit. Now, if the black with the Leatherlite material isn't your thing, Fia offers this in a couple different combinations as well. We offer this in gray, we offer this with a neoprene fabric, and also if you have the bucket seats, we have a lot of options there as well. We have this setup, again, gray and the neoprene. There's a cotton polyester version as well, and there is also tweed for you to pick from. So a lot of choices from just the standard black Leatherlite. So moving on to the install, this is extremely easy, no tools required. We're gonna get a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here. Should only take you about 10-20 minutes to get these installed on your truck. And it makes it really easy with the Fia Super Grip system. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. So we are going to start with the driver's side bottom cushion cover. Now the idea here is we're going to feed these straps in between the two cushions, underneath of the seat, below the electronics, and meet up with the 3 buckles along the leading edge of our seat cover. And those are going to be really nice and allow us to make a lot of tension and make sure that the seat cover is nice and taut across the bottom cushion. So I have that back piece secured in between the cushions for now, so I'm just going to get this started around the bottom cushion. We got that nice elastic band, and at the end of it we have another strap. That one's going to wrap around the back. And then you can reach under the seat, pull the straps through, and meet them up with the buckles. And lastly, we have this strap, which is going to go around the back of the seat and meet up to a buckle over here near the seat controls. So next we're going to do the backrest. We're going to take this headrest off and slip this on over top of it, and then feed some Velcro in between the seat cushions, similar to how we did the first one. Now there is one thing I want to touch on here. If your seat is equipped with an airbag, you want to make sure this cutout here for the airbag is going to allow that to pass through in the event of an accident. Usually they're on the outside edge. This truck is equipped with the seat airbag, so we're going to flip this around, put it on the outside edge like so. Now we're also going to slide the seat up just to make it a little bit easier on us. And to release the headrest, you're going to push on this knob to the left, put some tension on that. There's another one on the right, and it should pop right out. also going to pull that forward just a little bit. That looks pretty good. So at this point, we're going to push through these Velcro strips in between the cushions. So now we have our Velcro fed through the two cushions. We're going to meet up the straps with the hook portion of the Velcro on the seat cover. And then the last step for the backrest is we're going to tuck in that flap that allows the airbag to escape out of that seat. So with that being said, we can now move on to the headrest, and that's pretty simple. All you're going to need is this portion here. It slips over the headrest and secures with some more hook and loop. And with that on there, we feed our headrest through the slots in the seat and put it back on. Next, we're going to do the same thing for the other side. And we're going to start with the bottom cushion, feed through the straps, meet up with the buckles on front, and then do the one around the back as well. So moving on to the backrest, again, we're going to remove the headrest, pulling that up, pushing the two tabs in. If that doesn't release, you might need to mess with the seat a little bit. And we're going to slip the cover right over top. And we're going to feed these straps in between the cushions and meet up with the other side on the back of the seat. So on this side, you have a better opportunity to see the cutout for the seat airbag to come through. Now this is just a regular flap here, so that way it doesn't get obscured in the event of an accident, and the airbag will just pop through. All you're gonna do with this is feed it underneath the seat cover. And the headrest is pretty self-explanatory. All we're gonna do, slip the cover over it and hook and loop it together. And all that's left to do is feed that through the two holes on the top seat cover, line it up with the mounts, and feed it through. So again, one of the really nice features about this kit is it comes with the center console cover too. So we're going to apply the bottom portion here for the lower center console, just like that. Again, hook and loop fasteners to secure that. So what we're gonna do, lift that guy up like so, open up our cover, and just feed it around the center console. So now we're going to move on to the upper portion of the center console cover, and that is going to be a little bit different. If you fold this down, obviously we can't cover all of our cup holders up and trays here, so what we're gonna do instead, and what the kit includes, is some Velcro pads that stick to the console itself. So the way this is actually going to work is our seat cover is going to drop in like that, and the center console is going to fold into it. Now, if you fold this down, obviously this can't enclose all of our cup holders, it can't enclose this console here. So the way this is going to work is we are going to apply some of these hook and loop tabs that are included in the kit around the edges of the console, then pull this tight and give it a good press, and it should secure the cover. And this tab in the back actually comes through the lid and into the center console itself. So we're gonna stick some hook and loop here, and that is going to secure right about there. Now the kit includes an alcohol prep pad, so we're just going to hit the edges here where we're going to secure that hook and loop. And lastly, we have a cover for this upper piece as well, so we're going to open that. And that is going to do it for my review and install of the Fia custom fit Leatherlite front seat covers in black, fitting all 14 to 18 Silverado and Sierra 1500s with the bench seat. Keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.